This is Mrs. Spivey, and I am so excited to have you in my classroom this year. I wanted to introduce you to myself a little bit and my family. I'm married to Blake Spivey, and he is a PE teacher and a football coach here where we live in Rockwall, Texas. You've seen that Rockwall Yellow Jackets image on the previous screen. We have four beautiful little girls, Molly, Claire, Hannah, and Ella. You saw them on the screen as well. And we also have a few dogs, our favorite being a Basset. We've had a few Bassets over our marriage, and we just think that they are very endearing and with those soft ears. You also saw I am from Rockwall. I went to Rockwall High School, and Rockwall is up just outside of Dallas, for those of you that are not from the DFW area. And then I went to Southwest Texas State University. Now it's called Texas State University, down in San Marcos, and where I got my degree in mathematics to be a math teacher. And I've been teaching for 17 years, algebra the majority of the time at a few different school districts up here. I've been with K-12 this will be my third year with K-12 and my first year with TOPS, and I'm so excited to be here with you. A few other things that you might have noticed about me. My family, we love football, we love playing golf, and we love gardening and taking care of the flower beds at our house. And that's about it. I can't wait to meet and get to know all of you. Y'all have a great day.